Imagine waking up one day realizing you've worked for 10 years and have nothing to show for it. No savings, no investments, just bills, debt, and regret. Scary, right? Here's the thing, most people don't plan to be broke. They just make the same 5 money mistakes everyone else does, without even realizing it. But today we're going to change that. Because by the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these mistakes, you'll know exactly how to avoid them, and put yourself years ahead financially. So grab your coffee, your notepad, or whatever you use to look smart, and let's dive in. Oh, and don't skip. Mistake number 5 is the silent killer of wealth. You'll see why. Act 2, the meat, 39. Mistake number 1, living without a budget, 133. Let's start with the obvious but most ignored mistake, not having a budget. Now I know, budgeting sounds about as exciting as reading your Wi-Fi terms and conditions. But here's the truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Most people have no idea where half their paycheck goes each month. Coffee runs, impulse Amazon buys, late-night Uber Eats. Sound familiar? Yeah, that $12 treat myself burger? It's eating your future, literally. Solution: track every dollar. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or even a simple Google Sheet. Give every dollar a purpose: spending, saving, or investing. Because financial freedom doesn't start with making more money, it starts with managing what you already have. Transition beat. But even if you budget perfectly, there's another trap waiting, and it's one most 20-somethings fall right into. Mistake number 2, ignoring credit, 3430. Your credit score is like your financial reputation, and here's the harsh reality. It can open or close doors for you. Bad credit means higher loan rates, rejected apartment applications, and even fewer job opportunities in some cases. And yet, many young adults either ignore credit completely, or worse, treat credit cards like free money. You swipe, 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 and suddenly, your free points cost you 23% interest. Congratulations, you're now sponsoring your bank's next Christmas party. Solution: pay your cards on time, keep utilization below 30%, and never carry a balance you can't pay off next month. And if you don't have credit yet, start building it early, responsibly. Once you've got your credit game under control, the next mistake might surprise you, because it's something we all think we're doing right. Mistake number 3, saving instead of investing. Most people are proud when they save money, and hey, that's a good start. But here's the problem. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Why? Because inflation quietly eats away at your cash every year. $1,000 today won't buy the same $1,000 worth of goods in 5 years. Trigger. So if your money isn't growing, it's shrinking, and that's how people fall behind without realizing it. Solution: once you have an emergency fund, start investing, even small amounts. Index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a Roth IRA are great places to start. Because investing isn't just for the rich, it's how people become rich. And speaking of investments, mistake number 4 is something that quietly drains your ability to invest anything at all. Mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. 6-730. You get a raise, you upgrade your car. You move out, you upgrade your apartment. You land a promotion. Suddenly, Starbucks is your personality. That's lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. And it's one of the biggest traps for people in their 20s and 30s. It's like your wallet's on a treadmill. No matter how fast it runs, it stays in the same place. Solution: every time your income increases, keep your lifestyle the same for at least 6 months. Use that extra money to invest, pay down debt, or build your emergency fund. Because if you don't, you'll end up working harder just to stay broke. And that leads perfectly into the 5th and final and most dangerous money mistake. Mistake number 5. Not thinking long-term. We live in a world built on instant gratification. 2-day shipping, instant streaming, same-day delivery. We expect everything now. But wealth doesn't work like that. The biggest mistake people make? They underestimate how powerful time really is in building wealth. Fear plus inspiration blend. If you start investing $200 a month at 25, you could retire a millionaire. Wait until 35, and you'll need to invest double that to catch up. That's the power of time, and why waiting costs you more than any bad stock pick ever could. So if there's one lesson to take from this video, it's this. The earlier you start making smart money decisions, the more freedom you'll have later. At Seat 3, the closing CTA, 9 to 10 temp. So let's recap. The 5 money mistakes you must avoid are 1. Living without a budget. 2. Ignoring your credit. 3. Only saving instead of investing. 4. Lifestyle inflation. 5. Not thinking long term. Avoid these and you're already ahead of 90% of people your age. Because real wealth isn't about luck, it's about discipline, patience, and making small, smart decisions every single day. Soft pause, build excitement. Now, if you want to see how small investments can turn into massive wealth over time, watch this next video right here. It's all about the power of compounding. And trust me, once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again.